Agility is a business intelligence tool that lets you organize data and then process that data directly by calling Macola business transactions. To show how this works, I'd like to show you this intro to Agility, where we're going to go through an order processing set of steps, including introduction of production. Agility comes with a lot of things, a lot of business intelligence capability, things like the ability to do dashboards and drill into data. But what I want to do is act on that data. One, I want to hide all this away because we're not going to be working on that. And what I've done is I've created a favorites list, and my favorites list include bringing up a group of Synergy sales orders, and then I want to be able to confirm ship them. Before I do that, I'm actually going to release a pop order because I have a pop item on there and I need to produce it, and that'll fill the back order because it's a pop pull. And then I'm going to do order billing and then invoicing. So let's start with the sales orders. These are actually two Synergy groups of orders. So I can either press the button down here, or I can just look at Synergy itself. And this is a form. And the way that Synergy groups orders together in a multi-part request is it has a GUID that links these all together. So I have this first order for Outworld Adventure 901, and then I have another order out here for Dirt World, same items, just to keep it simple. So what I need to do is I need to be able to basically check all these orders at one time. You'll notice I have a Synergy order ID here. That's actually the entry GUID, or the GUID that joins them together. There's no such thing as a Synergy order, but I put the first 4 characters of that out there so that you can see that what I need to do here is I need to walk across all this data. I need to separate items that belong to customer 901 versus 903. I need to create an order, and one of those orders, actually, as I showed you before in Synergy, has a pop pull item on it. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and create the orders. Check marks show that this has all been done. If we come back in and go into Synergy, you'll notice that we have order number 454. And also you'll notice that, and I didn't point this out as well, but these were all created or approved before, and now they're realized. So we've updated the Synergy request with the order number, and we've advanced the workflow. And we've done that for both orders. This is for the Dirt World. So the next thing I need to do is we need to confirm bill. And this is actually an entry screen where I can look. But we know that one of those was 454 and the other was 453. We're going to focus on 454 for now. And 454 has a bike BP on it. And I need to go ahead and I have set up another integrated act component here to release that pop order. And you see it was checked. So we've done that. But now we need to produce it. Well, here on the screen I know that the manufacturing order was 195. So I'm going to come over here, and this is our desktop pop reporting tool, and I already had it up. I'm just using this because this is how I see things happening, that you would create these orders, then you would release them, and then you would notify the work center to go ahead and produce it. The work center has our product sitting out there to do the pop production, and then they would merely produce that pop order and print the label. Now, since we've produced the pop order, we've also filled the back order. So if I refresh this screen, you'll see now that this 10 was a 0, and now it's 10 because we filled the back order. Now what I want to do is I need to confirm ship this order. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And if I go back and look at that order, you'll see we've advanced it to a status 7, and we've done the confirm ship, and we've done the proper inventory transactions as issues. So that's all happened online. Okay, Now what we need to do is we need to bill that order. So I'm going to go to order billing, and we were working on 454, which is down here at the bottom. And all we're going to do is just go ahead and bill this order. Again, that order's been advanced to a status 8. Now we need to invoice the order. And again, we're on order 454. So I'm going to turn around and invoice it. And in so, I'm also going to print the invoice and assign an invoice number 450. If I bring agility back up, again, we can come in to that order and look at the order. And again, we'll see it's a 9 and it's been invoiced and it's ready to be posted. So that's my complete demo, and you can see how fast you can move through all the processes of order entry in a grid-like fashion, which is really a very efficient way of managing your data. Thank you very much.